Abracadabra! Have you ever used magic water when you're making pottery? If not, you may want to give it a try. It helps you if you are trying to connect two pieces of clay, attach one piece to another. It makes the bond nice and strong so they won't fall apart, and it helps avoid cracks when the clay dries and when it's fired. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to make so you can give it a try if you haven't already. Alright, so what do we need first? We need the ingredients. There's only 3 ingredients, that's how easy it is. And one of them is water. So you need some water, you need sodium silicate, or sodium silicate, if you prefer, and you need a little bit of soda ash. So once you have your 3 ingredients, you may need a couple measuring devices, probably some measuring spoons, some kind of measuring device to measure the water, or if you follow the original recipe, it makes 1 gallon exactly. So if you buy a gallon of water, you can just dump the other ingredients right in here. You've got your magic water ready to go. In fact, I made magic water. This is from years ago. It doesn't take a whole lot when you're working on your projects, so this has lasted me years. But I'm getting a little bit low, so I'm going to make not quite a whole gallon, but half a gallon to refill some of my magic water. Now, the original recipe is 1 gallon of water, 3 tablespoons of liquid sodium silicate, and 1.5 teaspoons of soda ash. So I'm going to cut it in half. So first step is to add the water. So remember, I'm making half a gallon. It's a lot easier if you're making a full gallon. You can just dump the other 2 ingredients right in here. Alright, so I've got my half gallon of water. Now I need 1.5 tablespoons of liquid sodium silicate. Now I need 3/4 of a teaspoon of soda ash. And my 1/4. As you can see, very easy. Water, sodium silicate, soda ash. Now I'm just going to shake it around to mix it up. I mean, it probably doesn't take a whole lot. So that's it. Super easy. I will have another video you can check out to see how you can use this. A couple different ways you can use it. If there's anything else you would like to see, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.